Ever wondered how a company like Expensify, which simplifies expense reports for millions, handles its own financial complexity in the public markets? It's a fascinating look behind the curtain of a tech company's journey from private startup to publicly traded entity. Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how Expensify's stock is traded, giving you the full picture of its market presence. So, where exactly does Expensify's stock call home? The answer is the Nasdaq Global Market, under the ticker symbol EXFY. For those new to the stock market, Nasdaq is one of the world's largest stock exchanges, known for listing many prominent technology and growth companies. Expensify made its debut on Nasdaq on November 10, 2021, marking a significant milestone in its journey. This listing provides the platform for investors, both institutional and individual, to buy and sell shares of the company. When you think about how a stock is traded, it's not just about a company being listed on an exchange. It involves a complex ecosystem of participants and mechanisms. For EXFY, like any other stock on Nasdaq, trading happens electronically. Buyers and sellers place orders through their brokers, and these orders are matched on the exchange. This electronic matching system ensures efficiency and transparency in price discovery. The price of Expensify's stock, like any other, is influenced by a multitude of factors. Supply and demand play a crucial role. If more investors want to buy Expensify shares than sell them, the price tends to rise, and vice versa. Company performance is paramount. Financial results, earnings reports, revenue growth, and profitability all impact investor sentiment. Expensify's focus on its cloud-based expense management software platform, its corporate card offerings, and its recent expansions into areas like global support and travel are all closely watched by investors. Beyond the fundamentals, broader market trends and economic conditions also have a hand in EXFY stock movements. Geopolitical events, interest rate changes, and overall market sentiment towards the tech sector can all cause fluctuations. For instance, the general outlook on software services companies or the fintech industry could influence how investors perceive Expensify's future prospects. Institutional ownership also plays a significant role. Large investment firms, mutual funds, and hedge funds hold substantial portions of publicly traded companies. For Expensify, you'll find institutional owners like Vanguard Group Inc., Ameriprise Financial Inc., and D.E. Shaw & Company, Incorporated. These major shareholders' buying and selling activities can create considerable price movements. Understanding who owns large chunks of a company's stock can provide insights into confidence levels in its long-term potential. For individual investors looking to trade Expensify stock, the process is straightforward through an online stockbroker. You open an account, deposit funds, and then you can place orders to buy or sell EXFY shares. Real-time stock quotes, historical data, and news about Expensify are readily available through these platforms, empowering investors to make informed decisions. It's important to remember that stock trading comes with inherent risks. While Expensify is a company with an established product, its stock price can be volatile, experiencing significant movements up and down. Doing your due diligence, researching the company's financials, and understanding the market context are crucial steps before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.